How to get and set up member count bot on Discord server members. To add this bot, first of all open any browser and then type membercount.net and hit enter. Then this page will appear. Click on the invite bot, choose your server and then click on continue and select authorize and then click on the I'm human and then it will be verified. Now if you go into your Discord, then there you'll see member count has been added. Now you can also add an app. Hit on the continue and click on the authorize. So in this way you can add a member count board on your Discord server. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and share this channel. Thank you for watching.